Hi everyone. Here are the course updates for the week of December 5th, 2025. So starting off with Symphony, in our beta build, we have made continued improvements to the offline mode. We've also added more improvements to annotations, in particular drawing on top of different objects. Another item in Symphony Beta is the ability to copy, paste, undo, redo, and zoom using keyboard shortcuts. This is going to be really beneficial for teachers and other users who are creating on maybe their laptop and then using it to display on their panel. It makes the creation process much easier. We also have a fix coming for the flickering that had been happening on the K Plus panels. And we have continued to make improvements on table imports. So this is the other interactive whiteboard files, things like Smart or Promethean, that had tables included. We've made improvements that are going to help fix some of the dimension and annotation issues. And then some of the items in our work in progress, we have the WBP download and import. So WBP is the whiteboarding, it stands for Whiteboard Plus. That was part of the Canvas/whiteboard within the Chorus application. So within that app, building on that whiteboard, we'll soon be able to import into Symphony for Chorus Online. And then tying into that, we also have continued improvements on just the generic IWB imports. Moving on to items within our Google Workspace for Education add-on. So this is the Google Classroom add-on. We have in beta the ability for students to play assignments. We've also made continued improvements to the assignment dashboard when those assignments are being completed. From the work in progress on that side, we are working on the review page for teachers, and we've also made some great improvements for the WCAG. This is the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. What this refers to is things like screen readers that allow for accessibility. It's a big thing that Google looks for, and it will help us when we do the application for that integration add-on. And then a few additional miscellaneous items. In beta, we have continued updates on the license management related to Google Automatic Rostering, and we are working on continued Android 15 support for the Conan mount. This is going to be having software that is going to allow for controlling the mount itself. So those are the updates for the week. Hopefully everyone is having a great start to their December. Have a great day.